Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If your Windows 11 update are stuck at pending install or pending download, don't worry. Today I will show you how to delete pending updates safely and fix your update problem permanently. So pending updates usually occur when update files get corrupted or Windows Update Service gets stuck in the background. So let's fix it step by step and delete it all pending updates from your PC. So first, for this guys, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, now find Windows Update Service, okay, in the services menu, and right click on it and then simply stop it. Okay, also you need to stop these two more services on the services menu. You need to find out background intelligent transfer service and double click on it, and simply you need to stop this, or you need to disable this. Okay, and another service is this guys, you need to find out cryptography service. So just right click on it and stop it. Now after doing this guys, close the services menu. Okay, hold Windows key button and then press E from your keyboard. It will open the file explorer, this PC, and here you need to type this same file path c:/windows/softwaredistribution/download. Okay, same as it is, you need to type and hit enter. Inside this folder guys, select all files and delete them. Okay, hold Ctrl key button and then press A from your keyboard. It will select your all files. Okay, and then simply you need to delete this all file. That's it. Okay, so just click on continue. It will delete all your selected files. This clear out all pending or broken update data from your PC. Once deleted guys, you need to restart your all three services which you have installed from the services. Okay, so just open the services from your PC once again and find out the all three services. First is Windows Update. So just right click on it and simply you need to start it. Okay, another service is this guys, background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and simply start it like this. And another service is this guys, cryptographic service. Right click on it and simply start this. After doing this guys, once again go to your Windows settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. Your stuck pending update should now be gone and fresh updates will install normally. Okay, and that's how you can easily delete or cancel pending updates in Windows 11. If this video helps you out, please like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more useful Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.